We vlogging?
Yeah, I'm vlogging, dude. Big vlogger.
Gonna ride it.
What'd you just say? You're gonna just go ride it?
Yeah, I gotta find a jacket though.
Wow.
Does that not happen normally?
That's very mature of Alex. Rookie of the year, Al.
Feels good to be 22 again, eh?
Yeah. It's a youngin'. So I got sick this week. I think I told you, but yeah, Tuesday came down with something, so I was riding outdoors and I was gonna do a 30. 8 minutes in the moto, I was just like, I don't know, I feel good. So like went back, put the bike on stand, undressed, I laid in bed all day. And then like Wednesday, laid in bed all day, like fever and stuff. So I actually got a COVID test and it was negative, so that was good. Because I was like, I don't even know if I'm gonna come to Salt Lake right now. I was like thinking about going to the hospital.
So that's what we're doing now. Get some tea going? Or?
Making a cup of tea. The adrenals are feeling pretty taxed today, so we're making a cup of tea, no coffee. We're gonna try and stay away from coffee.
Yeah.
But yeah, T9 in practice. So I actually really struggled because I feel like I do best with tacky tracks because I can charge and have good corner speed and I can attack. Where this, it's like the more you charge and attack, literally the worse you are. So.
It's gonna be.
But yeah, so we thought Denver was the worst and driest track we rode, but we're close this weekend.
Yeah,
Let's see if they can turn around for the nitro or not.
So muddy out there.
Huh?
A little muddy out there?
So muddy.
Yeah.
Like when I was watching on TV, it looked like a totally different track, different venue, different year.
Only the FX Organized was the same kit for some reason.
Yeah. 4-feet heat 2, here we go.
Let's go.
Dude, I think I've only been 4-feet heat 1 like once or twice this entire year.
We're huge fans of the Troll Train vlog, so my kids love it. These little grounds.
I'm so tired. I looked up at the Beast where it has the clock in the main, and I was like, they had 15 minutes left, and I'm like, I am dead right now.
Seemed like one main.
Yeah, no, I'm
In
like,
general.
I mean, honestly, I've been pretty happy with my fitness, but I mean, I literally Wednesday, like I was laying in bed with 103 fever, like not sure if I was gonna race, so I don't know, I just that completely wiped me. So, and qualified good with that 9th, you know, so like I can do one lap, but for 20 minutes I was just toast, so I don't know. All in all though, I will say I was stoked to, yeah, it's kind of cool to be 15th overall in 450 points, my first season, and we got Rookie of the Year, AMA Rookie of the Year, so that was kind of cool. Oh, hey,
What
baby.
is that?
Hey. Huh?
Is that the last vlog with Bailey?
Yeah. Fails. Vlog dog.
He has an Instagram account now. He wanted to mention it at
He
the
wants
Troll
to
Train
mention
vlog, but
Too shy?
That's almost 2,000 followers now? Vlog
no.
How'd the start look on camera? Did it look like I almost had the whole shot? Because I kind of felt like I almost had it.
I don't know. I have to watch.
No?
Not quite, love. Not quite. You were up there.
Felt
but-
pretty good.
Hey, as long as you feel good.
Yeah. No, I had about 5 laps left to me and that was it. So, yeah. Kind of sucks because I feel like it could have been another top 10, but with the health condition not being ideal, it is what it is. But, yeah,
So
it's time for some outdoors.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Like and subscribe.